Hi guys, welcome back again to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about some of the cheap modifications that you can do to your Honda Civic 10th Gen, and it's $100 and below. You can buy these items on eBay or Amazon. Most of these modifications will improve the aesthetic looks of your Civic, and it won't cost you an arm and a leg. But before I begin, I want to thank all my subscribers, and if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to keep you posted on my new videos. Okay, and let's start with the front lip.
You definitely can't go wrong in this modification. It won't break the bank either, as I got this glossy front lip spoiler from Amazon for just $90. And actually, the quality is not bad at all, considering its price, and it gives the car a more sporty appearance.
Our second mods under $100 is the Motekia SR48 tuner lug nuts. I bought this one in Amazon for like $60. And if you're going to have an aftermarket wheels, of course you're going to not just the lug nuts, it's also the lock nuts. So this lug nuts is $60, and the lock nuts, it depends on the color. Sometimes it will just cost you $30 to $40. So basically for the red, I bought it for $35, and this one I bought mine for $60. So total of $95. It's still not bad of a deal, and this is how it looks. I bought the red ones, but it's just the lug nuts, tuner lug nuts. It's an open end 12 by 1.5 inch. Okay, and it comes with two keys. Here it is.
And for the installation instruction, tighten it clockwise and use the supplied adapter, and tighten and torque it to 75 to 85 foot-pounds, and retighten it after 100 kilometers of drive. So this is how it looks installed on the wheels. And if you are curious what's the size of wheel I'm running, it's 18 by 9 plus 25 offset, and the rim is Cosmos XT005R black machine lipped.
And for our third modifications under $100 is rain visors or sun visors.
I got this window visors for only $80. This window visors is actually one of the easiest to install, and it serves multiple purposes. It allows the windows to slightly kept open during light rain, so the car's windshield won't fog up due to humidity. It also acts as a sun blocker, and it improves the aerodynamic stance and give more appeal on your car.
And for our fourth modifications under $100 is an aftermarket speakers. For me, I bought a kicker. Honestly, I did not bought it on eBay or Amazon. I bought it on Crutchfield, but don't get me wrong, they're all the same price, because when you buy on Crutchfield, it already comes with the accessories. So it comes with the bracket, and it also comes with the wiring harness. See, this one is almost, it's $10 to $15, and the bracket will cost you like the same to like $10 to $15. So with the bracket and this wiring harness alone will cost you like $30, plus this one is $80. So it will cost you, like, if you buy it on itemized, maybe $110, $120. But anyway, I'm not affiliated with them. I'm just letting you know that I think Crutchfield is the best site to go if you're planning to buy speakers or sub. But anyway, yeah, about this one, for our fourth modifications under 100 is an aftermarket speakers. Okay, and for our last modifications under $100 is the controversial, the infamous Red H Honda Emblem or Type R Emblem. No, I'm just kidding. This actually was one of the earlier modifications of my car. I bought it on Amazon for $90. That's 3 emblems, one in front, one for at the back, and one for the steering wheel. And honestly, I got a lot of compliment about it. And that red Honda emblem is just nice, regardless of what Honda you're driving. Actually, I saw an 8 Gen customized Civic with a Type R badge. It really looks good, or maybe depending on your build. And as for my Civic, believe it or not one person said that why I installed the red badge. Only sometimes when I posted a picture of my car in a Facebook group, occasionally someone will ask you why you installed that Type R badge. Like, seriously? But I did answer his question with another question. I replied, why not? You know, like, is it not allowed? I was waiting for his reply, but he didn't respond. Anyway, it is what it is. That is all for today for my top 5 modifications under $100. First is the front lip, and second is the Muteki lug nuts and lock nuts. Third is the rain or window visors, and fourth is the aftermarket speakers. In my case, I bought the kicker, and the last is the red H emblem or Type R emblem or Type R badge, whatever suits you. And that is just my opinion. Of course, it is always your decision, whatever you want to put in your car. Like I've said in my previous video, some people apparently got butt hurt because they don't like the way you set up your car, man. But honestly, you don't live by their standards, right? So just do what pleases you, and at the end of the day, it's your car, your mods. If they don't like it, it's definitely not your problem. They can kick rocks. Okay, and that is all for today. See you on our next video. Happy mods and drive safe.